Your team lost on the buzzer. It was a last second shot. And now you can't live a healthy, abundant life. You see how silly it sounds? What's going on, family? It's your man, Jeff Kilgore, back again. You already know how we do it. Business and mind all intertwined. And today, we're going to talk about the most powerful question that you can ask yourself in order to avoid having a low vibration. You ready? Come on, let's talk about it. Now, I'm just going to get right into it. The most powerful question that you can ask yourself in order to avoid having a low vibration is, what difference does it make? What difference does it make? Far too often, we allow our entire day to get thrown off by something extremely minor, something so small that it shouldn't even matter, something that you should, graze right over. You should get right through it and keep your day moving, keep on with your day. But far too often, we allow these little things to snowball into bigger things. And then we get we wonder why our day isn't going how it's supposed to go. It's not going how we wanted it to go. Our day is spiraling out of control. One thing is leading to another. It's just one of those days. But we could have changed the way that this day is going. Now, if you look at it and you start to analyze all these little things that we get so upset and so frustrated about, if you really look at them, what difference do they really make in the big picture? In the overall picture, what difference do they make? What difference do they make in your goals and your dreams and what you want out of life? If we examine these things, you'll quickly realize that they don't even matter. The only reason that they matter or have any validity is because we allow them to, and we give them wings and let them fly around in our life all throughout our day. We give them the traction to be able to do that. If you don't give them that traction, you don't give them that attention, you don't give those things the attention that it's seeking and the energy that it's sucking away from you, then they won't be there. They'll go to where they're getting energy. But we keep feeding those little things, and this is why you're having a low vibration. Like, does it really matter that you spilled coffee this morning? Now, I know it's frustrating. I know it's annoying and, whatever other negative emotion you want to throw at it. But does it really matter that you spilled coffee this morning? Like, is that you spilling coffee, is that going to stop you from starting that business that you want to start? When you look at it like that, like, think about it. What difference does it make? Yes, it sucks that you spilled coffee this morning. You may have even had to change your shirt or clean your shirt off, whatever. But in the overall picture, can you now not start your business because you spilled coffee? Sounds silly, right? Okay, what does it matter that the store was super crowded and you had to wait in line for a little while longer? Are you not gonna find your soulmate now because you had to wait in line for a few minutes longer? Is your soulmate just missing now? You'll never get in touch with your soulmate. You won't have the love of your life because you had to wait in a line for a little bit longer. What difference does it make? What difference does it make that your sports team lost? I know it sucks. I'm a huge sports fan. But really, what difference does it make that your sports team lost? You carrying this anger for hours after the game. Even the next day, you mad, face balled up. Trust me, I know. But what difference does it make? Are you now not going to be able to lead a healthy, abundant life because your team lost? Your team lost on the buzzer. It was a last second shot. And now you can't live a healthy, abundant life. You see how silly it sounds? But the truth is, it sounds silly, but we allow these things to control our vibration by giving them more energy than they deserve. Ask yourself, every time you start to feel yourself get a little upset about something, ask yourself, what difference does it really make? Now, I'm not saying there aren't things that come into our life that don't have a big impact. But the vast majority of these things that we give so much energy to don't really matter. What difference does it make? In the big picture, what difference does it really make? This makes no difference in my overall goal. The thing that I'm trying to do, the accomplishments I'm trying to make, my overall purpose in life, spilling this coffee really don't mean nothing. So you know what? Let me go on and clean it up, get over it. I'm not going to take that energy into the rest of my day. But now you wonder why, people referring to you as Negative Nelly at work. It's because you allow all these things, you complain about every little thing. You always got these little sidebar conversations going on about who don't do what and how your boss is a jerk. And, I do more than everybody in here and the pay sucks and we don't get bonuses. All that crap that you think is nothing, that you think is just office talk or just, normal conversation. That stuff is keeping you at a low vibration. What difference does that stuff really make in the overall big picture of your goals? You're never going to be able to accomplish your goals if you're hanging out with the low vibration. You can't hang out with the low vibration. You have to let that go, get it out of your life by asking yourself, what difference does it really make? And once you do this, you'll instantly start to feel better, for one. For two, you'll leave those things behind and you'll get them out of your life. You'll notice that less of these little things are happening to me because I chose this morning that I'm going to have a good day. Now, sometimes you'll say, I'm going to have a good day, and then something comes up against that. You get some resistance. This is the perfect opportunity for you to try what you just learned. What difference does it make? That's nothing. Handle it, move on. What difference does it make? The majority of the things we come across every day don't make a difference. Remember that the next time you have a few bumps in the road, and you'll be on track to keeping your vibration high, which puts you on track to live the life that you want to live. Did you get any value out of that? I hope you did. And if so, you know how I say, squeeze that like button, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Especially subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get every video that I upload. I'm committed to uploading Monday, Wednesday, and Friday this year, so I don't miss a beat. And you don't miss a beat. We can keep each other in check, right? You still rocking with me at this point, you already know. I appreciate you. Let's go.